Hey, what's up, everybody? This is DJ Keo, and I'm about to showcase the single best feature. Oh, that's upside down. The single best feature of Traktor 3.0. I I had an actual interesting incident before that. I had to update the C2, the firmware, and I suggest you do that too. But I'll get back into that when I do the voiceover for this. Anyway, so I'm gonna plug in this Rane SL3, and we're gonna see if this works. I'm all good. Go to settings. All right, so as you can see, going down to the SL3. All right, SL3 is in. I'm not finished with the settings, but I tested this earlier just to make sure it works, and it does work. So allow the settings. I'm gonna kind of tweak it to see what's fastest and what's the best thing to do. Anyways, so it actually works better than I thought it would, but this is this is groundbreaking right here for Traktor and Serato levels. Because people with virtual DJ and a mix meister or whatever the other things are, they all could do this. And Pioneer kind of made it sort of possible to do some of this, but not really. Um, I think Pioneer mostly works with controllers and mixers, and I know it works with the Z2, and it pretty much works with all Serato mixers, no problem. But this is the first for Traktor, and hopefully Serato jumps on board this because that would be awesome. I don't honestly. I feel like DJ gear should be agnostic, and you should be able to use whatever you want to use with whatever software you want to use, and like just pay the fee, call it a day, man, just whatever. Um, but this actually works. Latency is the same as Serato, same as Traktor too. Uh, the engines are different, so sonically it's gonna feel different when you're scratching on this versus the Serato or whatever. But as you can see, it's running off the box. So, yay! I'm gonna fool around with this a little bit more, and I'm gonna get in a couple of mixers, maybe this weekend, and try and see. And I'm gonna record a podcast tonight and I'm gonna do an hour long my thoughts, but it works. So there you go.